Anyway, once again, thank you for being us. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you very much!
So, ito yung first, talagang first organized racing team na kinabibilangan nyo ngayon. So, ano ang feeling na formally introduce na kayo as the new face of the Phoenix Yamaha Racing Team?
Masarap po sa pakiramdam.
So, sa pakiramdam? Ikaw, Bethany?
Siyempre po, masarap kasi sa pleasure. Kasi Yamaha to eh. Tapos, in-introduce kami sa lahat yung mga media na pinakilala kami as a rider. Yun po.
Yan, go boy.
Masarap din po feeling kasi na-introduce na po kaming rider ng Yamaha Racing.
So yeah, mga skluistas, the young guns of the Philippine Motorsports, the Phoenix Yamaha powered by Koso Racing Team. Balik sa inyo mga skluistas.